Triton Funds, episode 2 of Stock Pick of the Week.
We're going to jump straight into this episode. For this week's Stock Pick of the Week, it's going to be Wynn Resorts.
The near-term economic catalysts of Wynn Resorts actually look quite bright. As the CPI, short-term government bond yields, and intermediate government bond yields rise, so does the asset price of Wynn Resorts. In the trailing 3 months chart, the CPI, short-term government bond yields, and intermediate government bond yields have all risen above 2 standard deviations of their mean average in that same time. On the other hand, Wynn Resorts stock price actually has an inverse relationship with the M2 money supply. And you may be wondering, what is the M2 money supply? The M2 money supply is the amount of deposits in a bank. It's basically the sum of all of the US dollars that's currently being circulated within the United States. In the current state of the economy, the M2 money supply is actually rising right now, as opposed to the inverse relationship it has with Wynn Resorts. So we must note that the M2 money supply continues to rise. This is actually going to have a negative impact on the Wynn Resort stock price. I will now pass over to Dimitri to talk about some qualitative factors.
Wynn has also seen a huge increase in its year-to-year revenue. In China alone, it has increased $4.6 billion, and its Vegas location has increased $1.6 billion. In China alone, gambling has increased 12%, which translates to about $3.16 billion in revenue. Wynn has not stopped winning there. In its Vegas location, they have implemented a new solar facility, and it's being used to power up to 80% of its infrastructure down in Vegas. And then they've also added a millennial touch. They're now implementing the Amazon Echo into every single room. So now every single person that stays in the hotel can power anything in the room hands-free.
Due to Wynn's positive macroeconomic outlook and some qualitative factors that include a millennial touch, we are giving Wynn a price target of $188 a share.
Alright, well that concludes this week's video of Stock Pick of the Week. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to hit that like, that subscribe, leave a comment what you guys want to see next week for the videos. Don't forget to watch all of our other stuff to stay informed. And just like always, hit it, man.
Hit it to subscribe.